Hello and welcome to Selfi Traveler. This is Ahmed, and today I'm gonna do unboxing of my ring light which I have bought from Amazon, and I will be telling you the price and other things at the end of the video, so make sure that you watch the entire video. So let's dive into the video. Before opening up the box, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any notification from my side whenever I upload the video. So without wasting any more time, so let's start the unboxing of my ring light. Thank you very much for watching this video, and the link for the ring light along with this stand I have given in the description box below. Make sure that you click on the link, and if you want to buy it, you can buy it from Amazon or any other platform. I have got it for 1200 rupees delivered at the home, and Amazon delivered it so quickly. And right now I am using the same ring light, and I hope that this time you will find the difference, that the earlier videos where the light was maybe not quite good, although I'm using the natural light and this light as well, and this time I'm sure that it is quite visible. And I would like your comments in the comment section below, that if you find that right now the light in my video is better than earlier. Before closing this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update from my side. Thank you very much for watching. This is for today. See you next time.